Hey everyone, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your one-stop destination for all the latest job opportunities. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting job updates. We have got an amazing position to share with you today, so stay tuned till the end. Are you a creative solver with a passion for web developer? Then this is an incredible opportunity for you. So, as a part of the web developer that we are bringing today, you will be working with cross-functional teams to design, develop, and maintain the next generation websites and web tools. So what will you do in this exciting position? Let's take a look at the responsibilities. Revise, edit, profit, and optimize web content to ensure a seamless user experience. Collaborate with various teams to enhance the overall user experience of their platform. Take ownership of design tasks throughout the web development lifecycle from start to finish. Now let's talk about what you need to bring to the table. A bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science to showcase your expertise. At least 1 or 2 years of hands-on experience with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Proficiency in at least one server-side technology like Java, JavaScript, React.js, HTTP, C++, REST APIs, Git, PHP, Node.js, Python, or Ruby, proving your versatility, the ability to multitask, stay organized, and prioritize your work at meet deadlines effectively. So, how can you apply to this job? Click on the link that I have provided in the description, and you will come to this LinkedIn interface. From here, you can directly do a easy apply, and your details will be auto-filled, and it will be get submitted. Or you can send your CV to the email ID that is flashing on your screen. If you get selected, they will revert back to the same email ID which you are using to send the emails. So take the first step towards an amazing career. Remember, the candidate chosen for this position will be offered a competitive salary package. So this much for today. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.